In this video, we will talk about how to create a batch in ScanPower, how to add items to the batch, and how to create a shipment plan for the items. As a step one, you have to select the location, the ship from location, from where you want to ship. You have to click on plus icon and batch in no PO, and then click on plus icon, create new batch. This will create a new batch for you. Change the batch name as per your requirement. Let's say I change it to Pankaj, that's my name and today's date. You can change it to anything else like Amazon, hazardous material, hazmat stuff, 27/7/23, and you can add all the hazmat items here. You can name it anything you want, right? I'll just keep it as 27/7/23 for me. And if you want to change the ship from location, you can change the location from here as well. So I'll keep it as it is. And this label prep type, this is for your remembrance, like what kind of batch it is, whether you want to create a batch for all seller labeled items or Amazon preferred or Amazon only. But this is just for your own remembrance. And then you can also add tag to these batch like ship on 30th/7/23 or anything you want to ship. You can add a color as well to it, and you have to hit enter to save this tag, right? So this batch name has been created. Now you can add items to this batch via various methods. You can search it here individually by ASIN, UPC, ISBN, MSKU, FNSKU, or title, the way you want, right? Let's say I want to add this ASIN. Let's say I want to add this ASIN to this batch. So I can click on list over here and I can select the various values as I want. So let's say I want to ship 100 quantities of it, or you want to select the correct MSKU for this one or create a new MSKU. You can change it or correct it as. Then you can edit the price, the cost, the source, expires, text code if you want to put here, and you can also make it as a case pack shipment if required. So I click on add to batch. So that's one way. I'm not eligible to inbound this product, it's blocked by gating. But this is one way you can add the item. You can also import via inventory. Let's say you have a lot of item into your inventory and you want to add those items, right? Import those items. So I can add 100 quantities of it. I can select it, and if there is multiple items over here, you can select all, or select the few as required and click on select, import selected. So all the items are imported now and the shipment location is assigned to this item. So if we create a shipment for this item, and this item will go to this location FWA4, and it's a seller labeled. SL means seller label item. Then there's another way, you can import the item using buy list. So you can search, filter your buy list by purchase start date and purchase end date, by ASIN, by category, by shopper, by source, by size tier. You can apply any of these filter to fetch your buy list. So let's say I want to add these buy list items to my batch. So you can also update the quantity for these items. So uh, I just want to import two of these items with the same quantity and everything remains same. So I click on import selected. So this added these items to my batch. So for the sake of this video, I'm removing these items because I'm not allowed to create shipment for these items. Then you can also import it using a spreadsheet. So this will import all the items like this, and again you can select it individually or you can select all and import these items to the batch. I will show you the template for importing the spreadsheet. So I just added MSKU, ASIN, quantity and condition over here. But if you want to see more details about this spreadsheet template, you can click on help, solution, and then spreadsheet template. So you will see a lot of details over here in the help articles. So here in the last you have the spreadsheet template, and you can read a small description about these columns, like which one are optional, which one are kind of mandatory to import into this template, right? So all the details are mentioned over here. So for the sake of this video, so I'm removing the items which I am not eligible to send. So everything has been done. So I have been created, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, around 9, 8 or 9 shipping locations. So I can regenerate the shipping plan for this one in case I'm leaving this shipment in this batch for more than 24 hours as is. It's preferable to regenerate the shipment plan from here. So for regenerating the shipment plan, you have to click on shift plus click on this button. So this will regenerate a shipment plan for this batch. It will take a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes, 1 or 2 minutes to get the shipment plan generated. But this is the plan which has been created for me. So herein I can create a shipment plan for individual shipment location as well. Let's say there are two quantities here in this shipping location, and this one also two quantity. I don't want to send two quantity to this location. Rather, I would just want to send 200 over here and 200 over here, and I want to create just two of these shipment. So I click on create shipment and click OK.